I couldn't help but notice that you're wearing some rings today. And I don't know if you want to just hold it up to see a little bit. Do these hold any significance or what?
Well, I got this one in New Hampshire. This is like a eagle, and on the side it's got like some mountains and some trees and looks like probably like a lake. And for me, it kind of reminds me a lot of home. Riding a motorcycle is probably the closest you could ever have to flying. This one I just think is cool.
What's that one? What's that
It's
one?
just a skull with wings.
Oh yeah.
I just think it kind of looks cool. I have this little one here, which is just a cowgirl holding a pistol, which once again, I just think is cool.
You see a lot of bikers wearing rings.
Oh, yeah.
And, there's a lot of misconceptions, let's say, as to why they're wearing those rings. But I think he dispelled a lot of them because they have meaning to you as opposed to something a little more sinister.
Yeah, I think most of the time anybody buys any piece of jewelry, they're just like, it looks cool.